Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rajiv Gupta from SMT MD Patel Institute of Physical Science and Research Anand. The course name which I am teaching is MSc Organic Chemistry. The semester is first semester. The subject is Organic Chemistry first. The subject code is PS01CCHE22. The unit number is 4, which is related to substitution reactions of aromatics, where electrophilic and nucleophilic both type of substituents related reactions have been considered. So today I am going to talk about monosubstituted benzenes, their reactivity and orientations. Reactivity in substituted aromatics. If we consider only a pure benzene or a neat benzene, then there is no substituent is present on that aromatic benzene, but if a substituent is already present on the aromatic ring, then that substituent decides that the further incoming electrophile will attach on which side of the aromatic ring. So that substituent uh, affect electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction in two ways. First, it may decrease or increase the reactivity of the benzene ring or aromatic ring. This is the first effect of this attached substituent to the aromatic ring. And the second effect will be that where the incoming electrophile will attach on aromatic ring, because if benzene ring is monosubstituted, because we are studying monosubstituted benzenes orientation, then there are ortho, para and meta, three positions are available on aromatic ring. So on which position the incoming electrophile will attack, that will be decided by the property of this already attached substituent. So reactivity could be increased or decreased depending on the property of that substituent. If the presence of substituent increases the reactivity of aromatic ring or benzene ring, so it means that is the activating group, means that group or substituent activates the benzene ring towards aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Or the second possibility is the substituent could be decrease electron density in benzene ring, means it may decrease the reactivity of benzene ring or any aromatic ring towards this electrophilic substitution reaction. So these type of substituents will be called as deactivating substituents, which deactivate the aromatic ring system. Now orientation means that already attached substituent will decide that the incoming electrophile will attack on ortho position or para position or on meta position. That depends on the property of that substituent. Now, if the aryl substituent donates electrons to the ring, aryl substituents means on benzene ring another benzene ring is present. That aryl substituent donates or release electrons to the ring. Means these aryl substituents or phenyl substituents donates electron density or pulls the electron density towards the ring which the electrophilic substitution take place. The electron density of the ring will increase. See, if the aryl substituent donates, here the aryl substituent means any substituent that present on that benzene ring. Okay, that not that phenyl or aryl ring, that substituent which present on benzene ring or aryl ring or phenyl ring. The electron density of the ring will increase, resulting in activation the ring. Suppose if the present substituent is electron density repeller, means it push electron density towards the ring, so it will increase electron density inside the ring system, aromatic ring system. So this ring becomes more activated compared to pure benzene or neat benzene. The free energy of activation will decrease. As resulting, transition state enjoys additional stabilization due to a more delocalization rhenium ion. See, free energy of activation will decrease because the ring is already activated, so a less amount of energy will be required to gain transition state, or less amount of energy is required to form a sigma complex, and the formed sigma complex or sigma complex will be more stabilized due to more delocalization in rhenium ion. Because we know that rhenium ion contains a positive charge, and the attached substituent, this substituent already contains electron donating nature. So this, due to this electron donation, this positive charge on rhenium ion will be somewhat decreased compared to that pure benzene related rhenium ion. Therefore the reaction rate is increased, because we see that activation energy is decreased, so rate of reaction increased related to the rate of reaction on unsubstituted aromatic rings. Means unsubstituted benzene ring means pure benzene ring compared to that pure benzene ring, this derivative of benzene or aromatic, we may see increased rate of reaction. See, here substituent should be donating type, means releases electrons. If it withdraw electrons from benzene ring, so these all the points will be inverted, will be changed, will be opposite. Okay, the resulting resonance forms of the rhenium ion favor the substitution of the second group at the ortho para position. See, whenever the donating group is present, whenever a donating substituent is present on benzene ring or aromatic ring, then it always be ortho and para directing. Ortho or para directing means incoming electrophile will attack on ortho and para position. How these all things will be possible, we will see in some next slides. Positions 1, 4 and 6 relatively to the original group, means fourth number position and sixth number positions, these positions are 1, 4 and 6 positions are ortho and para positions. Here 1 and 6 position is ortho position and fourth number is an para position. Activation of ring by substituent can arise due to inductive effect, resonance effect. See, there are two effects or two properties which can be represented by any substituent. See, activation of ring by substituent can arise due to inductive effect and resonance. These two effects will increase or decrease electron density in the benzene ring system. Inductive effect could be a positive inductive effect or negative, which in short we say plus I effect or minus I effect. Likewise, in resonance effect we could say plus R effect and minus R effect. These both plus I and plus R effects increase electron density inside the aromatic ring, and minus I and minus R effect decreases electron density inside the ring. So inductive effect is seen in case of alkyl substitution. Suppose on a benzene ring or on an aromatic ring, alkyl group is present, then this alkyl group could be methyl group, ethyl group, propyl, isopropyl. These type of groups show strong inductive effect. So due to this inductive effect, these increase electron density inside the ring, because these alkyl groups always show plus I effect. So due to this plus I effect, these increases the electron density inside the ring and makes it more reactive. Resonance effect is seen in case of substituent having lone pair of electrons. See, this resonance effect will be seen in that type of substituent where the directly attached atom of that substituent to the aromatic ring contains at least one lone pair of electron, because this lone pair of electron will be in conjugation with aromatic ring pi electrons. So due to this conjugation, this lone pair can be provided or can go inside the ring system and increases electron density into the ring and makes it more activated compared to pure benzene. Thus, alkyl groups stabilize the sigma complex by induction, donating electron density through the sigma bonds, and substituents with a lone pair of electrons stabilize the sigma complex by resonance. So what is inductive effect? Inductive effect is a sigma bonding electrons pulling or pushing effect. Here only sigma bonding electrons displacement, or we can say somewhat displacement takes place, but here in case of substituents which contains lone pair, here complete displacement, complete delocalization of this lone pair takes place, and here it is called as resonance. Okay, so here in the formation of sigma complex by induction, these alkyl groups donate electron density through sigma bond, which is called inductive effect, and substituents which contain lone pair which stabilize sigma complex or Wheeland intermediate or benzenium ion by resonance. So alkyl group, vinyl group, phenyl group, NH2, NHR, NR2, these all groups are electron donating group. Okay, here see alkyl group shows plus I effect. These vinyl, phenyl, NH2, these vinyl, phenyl, these shows resonance effect, but these does not contain lone pair, but these contain pi electrons in conjugation with aromatic system. Here NH2 amino group, these substitute derivative amine groups, these secondary amine and these type of groups, hydroxyl groups, these alkoxy groups, these all contains lone pairs of electron on it. Here nitrogen atoms in these substituents contain a lone pair. Here oxygen atom also contain lone pair. So these lone pair will be provided to the aromatic ring system and activate it. Now see the directive nature of methyl group or alkyl group. Methyl group directs electrophilic attack ortho and para to itself, because an electron donating inductive effect stabilizes the carbocation intermediate. In case of ortho and para attack of electrophile on aromatic ring, the formed carbocation intermediate, which is also called a sigma complex, is more stabilized due to the plus I effect of this methyl group, of this alkyl group. How we can understand this thing with these structures? See, if we make an ortho attack of an electrophile, this is electrophile E plus, electrophile contains this positive charge E plus on this, then these electrons transfer to this side, and here at this ortho position carbon electrophile sigma bond formation takes place. Now the positive charge comes on this ipso position, which is where the methyl group is directly attached. Now this is the first resonating structure. See, these both are the reactants. Here these both are reactants, and this is the first resonating structure. Now by delocalization of this positive charge inside the ring, we can make second resonating structure like this. Here this pi electrons move towards this side, and this positive charge comes on this meta carbon atom. Now again by this movement we get positive charge on this second meta position. And now in the last second step, how what we get? Removal of this hydrogen as H plus ion, or elimination of this H plus, and again we restore the aromaticity. So this is the product. Now this product is disubstituted. See, the reactant or substrate was monosubstituted aromatic. Now the product is disubstituted aromatic. Okay, so this is what we have to see here, that the effect of this methyl group. See, here the positive charge comes on this ipso position and at these two meta positions. See, this meta position, this meta position. Total 3 resonating structures we can see, 1, 2 and 3. Total 3 resonating structures. Now again see, in meta attack we get these type of resonating structures. These pi electrons move towards this side, and the positive charge comes on this ortho position. Now by this resonance, this delocalization, we get positive charge on this side, and in third structure at para position. This is the intermediate of meta attack, which are obtained by meta attack. And by para attack, observe this electrophile addition on this para position, and this positive charge comes on both meta positions and at this ipso position. What is called ipso position? Ipso position is that position where the already present substituent is attached. That carbon atom of aromatic ring or that carbon site is called ipso, where already present substituent is attached. Now how we compare which is the more stable intermediate? Because to check the reaction feasibility, we check the stability of intermediate or energy of intermediate. Where the intermediate energy is lowest, where the energy of the intermediate is lowest or energy stability is highest, that product will be formed as a major product. Okay, now see, in all these 3 type attacks, ortho, meta, para, on these 3 type attacks we get total 3 resonating structures. Ortho 3 resonating structures, meta 3 resonating structures, para 3 resonating structures. Means this number of resonating structures are same in all the cases. Means we cannot count resonating structures, we have to see the stability of resonating structure. See, in this resonating structure, this plus charge which is present on this 3-degree carbon atom. See, this carbon atom is 3-degree carbon atom. Carbon, carbon, carbon attached to 3 carbon atoms, so this is 3 carbon atom, so it is a 3-degree carbocation. This first resonating structure contains this 3-degree carbocation. This 3-degree carbocation is also in conjugation with these 4 pi electrons. Okay, now see, in this para attack we get one resonating structures where this 3-degree carbocation is present, which is conjugation with these 2 4 pi electrons. But in case of meta attack we don't get this type of carbocation where the carbocation nature is a 3-degree, and we know that 3-degree carbocation containing species or moiety is more stable compared to other type of species. Here this positive charge is also in conjugation with these 4 pi electrons in case of meta attack, but here extra stability providing 3-degree carbocation is not present in any resonating structure in case of meta attack. So this meta attack due to meta attack formed carbocation or intermediate sigma complex is less stable compared to ortho and para attack. So the intermediates which are forming by ortho attack and by para attack are more stable compared to this meta attack. So these two reactions are thermodynamically more favorable in case of ortho attack and para attack. So when we see the alkyl groups, these alkyl groups always are ortho directing and para directing. These are not meta directing, or we can say that the obtained meta product will be very minor product. The major products will be ortho and para. Okay, so this is the all description about how these alkyl groups are ortho and para directing. Now see the example, second example of this, where these lone pair containing functional groups like amino group and other hydroxyl groups, these groups are also ortho and para directive. Okay, because these groups directs electrophilic attack on ortho and para position, because the carbocation intermediate has additional resonance stability, compared to meta attack. See, in ortho attack we add this electrophile on ortho position and we get this positive charge on this ipso position. Means all the resonating structures are very similar to as we have seen for methyl groups or alkyl group. See, now what will happen when this positive charge goes on this side ipso position? In this first resonating structure we get an extra resonating structures by the delocalization of this lone pair present on nitrogen atom due to formation of this double bond, and this positive charge goes to on this nitrogen atom. So this is an extra resonating structure which we may get in case of lone pair containing functional groups. See, these 1, 2 and 3, these 3 resonating structures are same as we obtained for alkyl groups. See, in both ortho and para, this and this, these 3 resonating structures are exactly same as we obtained for alkyl group substituent. But these two resonating structure, this resonating structure and this structure, these are extra resonating structure which provide extra stability to this sigma complex. Okay, so due to this ortho and para attack is favorable in case of these lone pair containing functional groups. In case of meta, if this electrophile, incoming electrophile attacks on meta position, we get these resonating structures. Positive charge goes to here, then here, and then at this position. This positive charge will never goes to this ipso site. See, in we cannot make a resonating structure where this positive charge obtain ipso site. So due to this, this lone pair cannot make this type of extra resonating structure, because this structure can be formed only when the positive charge takes place on this ipso site, which is directly attached to this substituent, amino substituent. See, so here in meta attack, the obtained resonating structures of sigma complex are 3, but in case of ortho and para attack, we obtain total 4 resonating structures: 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 resonating structures. So ortho and para attack is more favorable in case of these lone pair containing substituents, means derivatives of aromatic which contains this type of substituents. So this is all about the activating, deactivating nature and ortho-para dielectric nature of monosubstituted benzene, where these monosubstituted substituent has plus I effect or plus R effect. In case of alkyls like methyl or ethyl, these show plus I effect, but these type of substituents show plus R effect. Here this amino group shows plus R effect because it is donating this lone pair towards the ring. Okay, so due to this donation, the electron density inside the ring increases. So we can say that it is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Now comparison of the resonating structures involved in electrophilic aromatic substitution of toluene and aniline. Okay, here toluene and aniline are considered, and which a relative study as a graphical form, as a energy profile diagram has been shown. It becomes clear that when the electrophile attacks at the ortho and para positions, the resulting arenium ion is more stabilized due to electron donation through inductive effect or resonant effect, as we have seen earlier. Here this profile diagram, energy profile diagram, is shown where on y-axis we see potential energy of these intermediates or these reactants, and here we see the reaction coordinates on x-axis. In this energy diagram, the comparison is shown between pure benzene, this is neat or pure benzene, and this is its derivative, monosubstituted aromatic or monosubstituted benzene, that is methyl benzene, or we call this as a toluene. This, if we make electrophilic substitution reaction, here the electrophile is used is a nitronium ion, NO2 plus ion. So what will happen? We know that methyl group has plus I effect. So due to this plus I effect, it increases electron density inside the ring. Okay, so to occur electrophilic substitution reaction, this toluene reactant requires less amount of energy compared to benzene. So we can see that these transition states for both for this toluene are lower compared to pure benzene. See, pure benzene is situated on top side, means its transition state contains highest potential energy, but for this toluene, these transition states energy are somewhat lower than this benzene. Now we can compare this meta and ortho para attack on this toluene. We know that ortho para attack is more favorable in case of toluene because it is a electron, because it contains a electron donating group, methyl group. So if this nitronium ion attacks on ortho or para position, then we get more stable intermediates or sigma complex. But in case of meta attack, we get somewhat high energy intermediate. But this meta attack, uh, uh, by this meta attack, obtained intermediates energy is somewhat lower than benzene, because itself we can say that this methyl group is present on this, which contains plus I effect, so it somewhat reducing, somewhat increasing the electron density inside the ring system and decreasing the positive charge, so makes it more stable compared to this benzene ring. So highest intermediate energy is for benzene, containing benzene, then meta, and then this orthopara for this toluene reactant. Now, how we can show in a different way that a lone pair containing substituent could be orthopara directing or it could be meta directing. This could be shown by resonating structures of this compound. Similar effect can be explained using the resonance structures of phenol and acetanilide as representative examples to identify the preferred site of attack for the incoming electrophile. Which site on aromatic ring will be preferred for the attack of electrophile? That site will be that carbon atom on which in a resonating structure, in all the resonating structures, negative charge is coming. Okay, because this negative charge will attract the incoming electrophile, because electrophile contains positive charge. So these are the resonating structures of phenol. See, this is the structure of phenol where hydroxyl group is directly attached to this aromatic ring. Now how we will prepare these resonating structures? We show movement of these lone pair electrons towards this ring or towards this ring side, and this oxygen atom contains this positive charge, and these pi electron bonding electrons move from this side to on this carbon atom. Like this we show resonating structure. This is the first resonating structure of phenol. Now further we delocalize this negative charge on these inside this ring system by the movement of these pi electrons. Like this, it goes to this side and these electrons goes to at this para position. Okay, now this moves this side and it pi electrons move to this ortho position. Now in the last resonant structures, what will happen? This will move here and this again goes to on this oxygen atom. Okay, so total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 resonant structures. One resonant structure is not shown here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 resonating structures we can draw for phenol. For aniline and other system, this type of lone pair containing systems also show the same type of resonating structure. See, in these resonating structures, at these both ortho position, see, this is ortho position, this is ortho position. At these both ortho positions, the negative charge appeared. Here at para position, negative charge appeared. So these both ortho positions and one para position is a hot spot, or when we can say hot site for electrophilic substitution. So the incoming electrophile which contains positive charge, that positive charge containing electrophile will attack on these ortho position or on this para position. So obviously we can say that these lone pair containing functional group are ortho and para directing, means these functional group work as director, direct that where that incoming electrophile will attach on this aromatic ring system. And this finally this is shown a resonance hybrid of all these five resonating structures. In this resonance hybrid we can easily observe that this negative charge and these pi electron system are delocalized, moving like this, and somewhat these ortho positions and this para position is more electron rich compared to these two meta positions. So on this meta position the attack, the possibility of attack of incoming electrophile is very less. Now this is the again example of this lone pair containing substituent which shows plus R effect. This plus R effect is also called as plus M effect. Its another name is plus M effect, which is called a mesomeric effect. MESOMERIC, mesomeric effect. This is the example of this amide group which is directly attached to this from this nitrogen atom, this ring. Same we can show this lone pair movement like this, just like as we have seen for hydroxy group in phenol. Here it goes to this. Now see, in the resonance hybrid we can observe that the negative charge is appearing on ortho and para positions. So in this type of compounds, means we can say that any compound which contains, any compound means aromatic compound which contains a substituent which has a lone pair on an atom, that atom which directly attached to this aromatic ring, if contains lone pair, then it will always show plus R effect, plus resonance effect, and it will increase electron density inside the ring and makes it activated towards electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So this is the thing where we have seen in today's lecture plus I plus R effect containing mono substituents which are ortho and para directing, and which substituents activate the aromatic ring system for AR-AC reactions. Okay, thank you.